here with Half Dozen Customs. We got all these parts all sandblasted up. Now we got to clean them up a little farther. We are going to use our new Arccaptian tool that they sent us. We're going to throw a little wire wheel cup on there, and we're going to get these cleaned up. So I'll see you guys on the other side. Let's get to it. What's nice about this thing is I'm able to, there's 3,300 RPM, 6,500 RPM, and 9,500 RPM. And we're running on the 3,500 RPM, or 3,300 RPM. Much more controllable than using my electrical guy. Okay, well, there it is. Arccaptian, little water wheel cup on there. We were able to clean up all those parts fairly quick. Let's see, how long did that take me? 20 minutes. So I cleaned up 5 pieces, 20 minutes, 1 battery, and it is still showing a full battery. So now I know I've used this thing before. If you're putting it through some heavy duty stuff, you have it on the highest RPM, you're cutting some steel, stuff like that, you may not get that much time out of it. But awesome little tool, good thing to have around the shop, especially if you got to run to a junkyard, or you know, maybe I gotta go cut something off a vehicle out there. I don't have to drag out cords or air hoses. Great little tool. Check them out. We'll put a link down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Oh yeah, and if you want to check out this whole process of what we were just working on, check out our Monte Carlo videos. See you guys in the next one.